Step 1 after my base is the In Touch highlighter in Comfort, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply it all over the lid. Next, I'm using the new Solar Flare eyeshadow kit, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and buff the metallic peach shade all over the lid on top of the highlighter, and then I'm also going to take it along my lower lash line. Then, using the gold in that same palette, I'm just going to take my finger and apply it into the center of the lid. Next, I'm going onto the tops of my cheeks with the highlighter in Complete, and I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. You can also pop it on the end of your nose and in the inner corners of the eyes to highlight the rest of the face. For lips, I'm using the Play On Lip Crayon in the shade Saucy. Then I'm going to take the new Pure Gloss Lip Gloss in Pink Glacé and applying that over the top. To finish, I'm using Murad's Hydrating Toner spritzed all over the face, and that's going to help the foundation to look a little bit more worn in and dewy.